Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not working on your Windows, and if that's the case, then you cannot really access into any of the web browser or internet related activities on your laptop or your Windows because you cannot use your Wi-Fi. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to check if the WLAN auto config service is running. Again, we need to check if the WLAN auto config service has stopped running or is still running. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and need to type run. Click on run under the best match, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and select run. Then here you need to type services.msc. It's services.msc. Click on OK. And here in the services window, we need to scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN auto config service. Now make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, service status, if it has stopped running, then you have to click on start, click on apply, click on OK, and also click on the restart button on the left pane. Now once done, close this window and just try to see if the problem has been fixed. You will be reconnected again into your connection. Now we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Now here in this block window, simply type natsh space winsock space reset. It's natsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Now successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. But we are not going to restart our Windows first because we are going to run the last command. And the last command is natsh space int space ip space reset log .txt. It's natsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. Hit enter. Now restart the computer to complete this action, then type exit, hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And then we also need to make sure that our network driver is updated. So for that, make a right click at the start button, then you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the network adapters. And here you'll need to find your connection. Make a right click, then you have to select update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this windows, then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. By using any of the solutions, I hope this video helped you. So kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.